Holiday season is upon us. It's one of my favorite times of year. It just feels so cozy, so warm, so many traditions, so much nostalgia. But with that is also holiday shopping. And I don't know about you, but it just feels like there are ads literally everywhere. I feel like Black Friday started in June at this point, and consumerism is at its finest. And my family actually doesn't really even do a gift exchange anymore. But if we do get each other things, we try to be really intentional and make it things that people actually want or really need. So for me and Ellen, we absolutely love traveling. So we've put together our favorite travel items that have really helped on our travels, and kind of sharing some secrets for you that you might not think of. So if you're a travel lover, you can add these to your list, or it would be great to surprise your travel lover, friend, or family member with some of these items they probably need and don't even realize they need. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. My name's Ashley. I make travel and lifestyle videos on a budget, and we just have so much fun on this channel. I'd love for you to join the community. I'm about to share the top travel gifts that I believe are the best for travelers coming up in 2024. These items are in no particular order. I love them all, and you can find them all on Amazon Prime, and check it out in the description below. So first up is suitcases, and we found the best suitcase combination, especially for traveling to Europe, and that is our Samsonite suitcases. This is the hardcover, and I of course got mine in pink. Alan got his in black, and these are just so awesome. These suitcases are literally a lifesaver. They obviously have that collapsible extension, and I got the one where it comes with a carry-on and a checked luggage. And what I also love about this, they're just so lightweight and so durable and slide really well with the wheels. Oh my God, I had a suitcase and Alan was like, please throw that away. We're getting you Samsonite, because they're just obviously one of the most top quality brands out there, but also they just travel really well. And what's great about this is kind of a smaller carry-on, so it fits pretty much every airplane. So I had a larger carry-on and it just didn't fit basically any flight in Europe. What I also love about this is you do not need another lock. They come with built-in locks. So again, I got the pink and Alan got the black, and we are so obsessed with this luggage. I just want to travel because of this luggage. That's how much I love it. Next, I don't know how I ever traveled without these, and that is packing cubes. If you have a travel lover in your life and they don't have packing cubes, you need to order these immediately. Packing cubes literally make everything so much easier, so much more organized. You put everything in their own little slots, and then you can see, okay, I actually don't need 12 sweaters. I only needed 3. Packing cubes are absolutely essential. You can get separate ones for your shoes as well. They just keep you organized, and honestly, especially if you're going from city to city, country to country. In Europe, we were always like, where's our stuff? Where's our stuff? And packing cubes literally saved our lives. I was so happy with these, and I just always continue to order more and more packing cubes because they're just so amazing. Also, another kind of item in order to organize your things is I use packing cubes for all of our clothing, and then for our bigger items that needed to kind of lay out, so my blazers and my jackets, I actually used compression bags. And this is something I highly suggest because you can lay your things out all in here, and then you press it down and it compresses all of the air. I mean, this is nothing new. You see people use these all the time for like under the bed storage, but using them to travel, especially for coats and jackets, is such a game changer. This and packing cubes, This looks like a Toiletries bag, but it is actually an equipment bag. I got this from Target, but I found basically the exact same one on Amazon for you guys. And an equipment bag to put all of your cords and everything, even if you're not a content creator like myself, you still are gonna have a ton of cords for your phone, for your, oh my gosh, Alan was always so mad about my Apple Watch. I was like, where's your Apple cord? And having this is a game changer as well. And you want one that's like nice and flat like this, so it just fits really easily in your carry-on, in your personal bag, and it's just awesome to have everything all in one spot. Having a Toiletries bag is essential, but one thing I didn't do was get one like this, and I'm just like, wow, I can never go back, which is I was putting my like shower things in one little container and my makeup things in another, and everything was always all over the place. Well, this type of, it's almost like a mini Toiletries makeup bag is also a game changer, and I'm obsessed with it because this massive pocket, it holds everything you need that's like travel size, and then at the top you can put all of your makeup. So this is, I just think, the perfect size, and it's also very lightweight and collapsible, and I just literally love it. Now, when it comes to your shampoos, everything, you can get the little miniature ones like this at the store, but honestly, it ends up adding up. And I don't know about you, but I have like really specific conditioner and shampoo that I have to use for my hair. It's color treated, it's frizzy, it's all the things. So using my actual everyday products is way, way better. So in order to do so, silicone bottles are totally in these days. So you're gonna want some silicone travel bottles, and these are just so awesome because you can squeeze it all out. So if you're just someone who needs some shampoo or conditioner, you're gonna wanna get little bottles like this, or you can get a little complete kit that I absolutely love that includes the bottles for your shampoo and conditioner and includes smaller, littler ones for your body lotion or your moisturizer. And also what I really love is little spray bottles. So you can include your hairspray, your misting spray, or your perfume. This might be my favorite product I've ever recommended in my entire life. I know that's a bold statement, but that is how excited I am about this product. I'm like, every traveler needs it, every woman needs it. And that is this wand that turns into a straightener. It's a wand straightener, and this is the coolest freaking thing ever. So if you have big, thick hair like me, this is a literal must. And I figured this can't be that good, right? I have curled and I've straightened my hair with this, and I'm like, every single woman needs this. This is the coolest thing. I did my hair with it today, and this has lasted all day long. It's my favorite curls I've ever had. I'm bursting with joy about this product, and I honestly thought I was gonna end up trying it and returning it and not really liking it, and I'm like, Ellen, I am keeping this forever, and I'm recommending this to every single woman. It is the TYMO brand, and I'm just so excited about this. And what an amazing tool that it can literally curl your hair and straighten your hair. This is a game changer, guys. Let me know if you try this product in the comments. That's how excited I am about it. These days, we all have headphones in our ears, but ones I highly recommend for travelers are ones with noise canceling headphones. I'm obsessed with noise cancellations, especially on planes. A lot of the times I don't even have any music or anything in my ears. I just want peace and quiet. You know, those loud babies or the people that are trying to talk to you. So for Apple, I love a good classic small AirPods Pro. These are so good at noise canceling. You just can't get better than this. Also though, oh, this is on my Christmas list this year. These are Allen's, and I died. I always asked to borrow these, and these are the Beats Solo 3 headphones. Their noise cancellation, they just also feel so good. And when you're watching a movie, there's nothing you want more than these Beats. And what I really like about them too is that they collapse. So it makes them super small, because a lot of those headphones, they don't do that. So it takes up so much room in your luggage. To give me an organizational gift is to love me. And I will never travel without this now. And I also use this just in everyday normal life. And that is my jewelry organizer. I have one that is this one. This is what I use every single day. And it's just so small. It's like half the size of my face, or one, I don't know, I have a big face, but I'm obsessed with this one because it's great for storing earrings. And then your rings, as you guys know, we just got them. So you gotta make sure these are in a safe place, but I love this one. If you're more of a necklace girly, then you might wanna go with this one. I've included all these links below, but this one holds a lot of necklaces as well. And a lot of people love this one because it is very flat. So it just fits right in, but this one takes up like zero space, and I just love it for carrying rings and earrings. If you're traveling abroad, you're going to need a universal adapter, and there's so many different companies out there, but we love BESTEK the best so far because these just work so well. They're reliable. They can hold multiple plugs at once. It has worked on our blow dryer, our air dryer, multiple different countries. So we highly suggest getting a universal adapter, and one where you don't need like a billion. When traveling, you obviously want to look good, feel good, all the things, but sometimes getting ready, the situation is so different based on whatever hotel you're in, based on the lighting, based on the Airbnb. So I have found that this is actually a huge game changer in my everyday life and also traveling, and that is a portable light up travel mirror. And I personally got this large one because it's just so massive. I'm like, oh, I need to see out my face. But you can also get a smaller one. I'm gonna link this. It is so lightweight. This is just so easy. It's like a no-brainer. Why would you not? And what's great about this is that it also comes with that built-in light. So you're not depending on the lighting of your room. I talked to too many guys and gals that are like, oh, I look terrible because I had bad lighting. It's like, what are you doing? Just come on. I promise you, if you got this as a gift for someone, no one's gonna not want this gift, believe me. They might not know it, but they'll love it. For all you little brainiac readers out there who love those hard copy books, and I love a good hard copy as much as the next person, and you go straight to those bookstores in the airport, well, you just can't bring them while you're traveling. It's just such a freaking pain. But what you can bring is a Kindle. You can see I'm reading a lot, guys. I really need to read more. I'm more of an audiobook person, but if you are a huge reader, then the Kindle is just incredible. What's awesome about the Kindle is it's super easy to read. It can light up if you need it to, but what I like about it is that it's not as harsh on your eyes as your computer screens. And this is the mini one, and it's just so lightweight, it fits in anywhere, and it's so much easier to carry around than books. Bonus, you can obviously download your books that you buy off of Audible, or you can use the Libby app, which connects to your local library, and you could download books from your Kindle or audiobooks and get them sent straight to your Kindle. So this is awesome. Libby has changed my life. I'm obsessed with Libby to get those free books and free reads. But sometimes Libby doesn't always have all the books available because some of them are on hold, like Britney Spears' new book or other books. So then I just do Audible. I use both Libby and Audible. They're great for different reasons. I mean, Libby, you get free books from the library, but sometimes I do want books that are more newer or are just harder to get. So I do use Audible as well. And you can obviously get it sent straight to your app on your phone and listen to it. Next, let's talk oral hygiene when you're traveling. I'm convinced I wasn't even brushing my teeth all these 30-something years I've been alive until I had the Sonicare Philips toothbrush. No, this is not an ad or anything, but Alan's like, what are you doing? Get Sonicare. This is amazing. And he found me this pink one, and I can't go back. You just can't go back. This is an awesome toothbrush, especially when you're traveling. It lasts all day, all night, and I'm obsessed with this, and I can't use a normal toothbrush now. Highly recommend. Obviously, these types of toothbrushes are a little more pricey, but your travel friend will thank you. When traveling, you honestly don't want to bring a million bags everywhere, and I highly suggest getting a fanny pack. I mean, fanny packs are back in, ladies and gents. Mine is like beaten up. I've been using this every day for years. I actually need a new one, but it's awesome. It goes with everything. Do I need to say more? Can I just say, I wish everyone in the airport had a fanny pack, because when you are going through the airport, the easiest thing you can do is put your passport, put your license, put your keys, put your phone right there in your fanny pack instead of waiting a million years, even if you have Tuesday pre-check to take out your items. Oh my God, let's move on. We need a Clonikin. Is that what it's called? Remember back in the day when they used to give you a travel blanket on a plane, and we're like, those were the good old days. Well, now, ladies and gentlemen, you can bring your own. Oh my goodness. I am obsessed with this travel blanket. It is so cozy and it is so small, and I'm never getting on a plane again without this travel blanket. Get this immediately. Put this in your cart right now. For your personal item, why not try to make that personal item as big as you can make it? Am I right, folks? And I'm obsessed with this new kind of luggage backpack. It is just so awesome because it has that little flip for your computer. I also bring this every day to work, so clearly I try to make use of my travel products everywhere. What I really like about it is it's so wide and big on the inside that it almost looks like a suitcase on the inside, and it has so many little hidden pockets everywhere. I put my water bottle in here, and what I also really, really love is this hidden back pocket, and that's where I put all my like wallet stuff and everything. But honestly, I love this backpack. It is awesome. It is lightweight, and I also like that you could wear it as a backpack, but you could also be like, I'm gonna be cute, and I'm gonna carry it like this. Oh, hello. Does it look like I just woke up? Well, I didn't, and it doesn't, because this set is the best set that you can wear to the airport. I'm literally so obsessed. This is a little matching set, and these are pants, and they're not tight at all. They're not like yoga pants. They actually feel like sweatpants, but they look so sleek. They're like little joggers, and this top is just so cute, and you feel like you're wearing pajamas, but you look a lot better than if you were wearing pajamas. I will not travel without this set. I'm obsessed with this set. I wear it all the time. I probably wear it too much. Let's order more. Get this set. You will also be obsessed and comfy and cozy. Last but not least, I would like to share one of my favorite travel hacks that will blow your mind. It's this. What in the world is this? It is a water bottle. This is a collapsible water bottle. This is the coolest freaking invention ever. It literally goes whoop, whoop, and I bring it with me everywhere now. I travel with it everywhere. I got Alan one in gray, and I got this pink one, and I'm obsessed with it because I'm always so thirsty, and you want water. You're going through the airport. You don't want to lug around those big Stanley cups or those big Yetis. Like, I love them as much as you do, but you just can't travel with them. This is the perfect thing to travel with. You just have to be careful when you're drinking water so you don't go, oh. Alan does that all the time, but I'm obsessed with this. This is freaking awesome, and it's so easy to travel with, and it just collapses down, and then you can put it right in your bag. How freaking cool is that? It also makes a perfect stocking stuffer, which leads me to my next video. If you want to know the perfect stocking stuffers for travelers, definitely hit that subscribe button. That is next week's video. I will see you then. Thanks so much for watching. This has been so much fun. Let me know what questions you have in the comments. Bye for now. Ciao.
Show me life, show me